Today we've got beautiful sunshine again, which is lovely. It's a bit depressing because we want to be out in the van, not working on it, but it is what it is. There's a little bit of filling left to do on the roof and I want to get that done, mainly because the roof is actually almost finished. Last video you've seen a little time lapse of some of the bits we got for the van. You've also seen tearing my shorts. So the doors, I'm going to give those a sand and see what we're dealing with. Basically, when I bought them, we travelled all the way to just outside of Birmingham, it's about a 2.5 hour drive for us, to pick up a set of immaculate doors. Got there, they weren't immaculate, but luckily the gentleman who sold us the bits threw in so many other parts that really made up for it. So I'll give you an idea of what we're working with. Yeah, I pulled the dash out, which also meant pulling out the kill switch. So currently, like on Fast and Furious, these two here, that's my kill switch. That's amazing. I can't believe that. So what I've just done is put my hand up behind there and I found a keeper key, magnetic key safe. So what that means is, hopefully, we don't need to change all the locks. We'll have a separate key for the ignition. I mean, that's amazing, isn't it? So as you can see, I'm going to cut out this marked bit. The previous owner really has hacked the cooling system, so I'm now sort of tasked with trying to work out where some bits go. I know that sounds like quite an easy job, so I think hopefully it's not an original part. It doesn't look like it. It's definitely not the original hose. All these hoses can be bought from Heritage Parts Centre. They actually do a kit, which is what I bought. I'm under the impression that is a brass hose that the guy has made himself. So I've just got to figure out what actually goes there.